stainless steel, I'd hit that. Hello, font fixationists. Stephanie here. Welcome back. I'm happy to see you. I've gotten lots of questions about stamping techniques, some on stainless steel, some on soft metals, and hopefully today I'll be able to shed some light and some answers on some of your biggest questions. Why don't you put your hair up and follow me over to the stamping block. That should do it. So here's my stamping block, and I am peeling the protective film off of my stainless steel. There we go. And I'm just going to make sure that it's not going anywhere. Taping it down. Doesn't matter what kind of tape you use. We're going to use peony blooms. And here's how I line up. I look at, let's see, does this help you? I'm not sure. I look at the first letter that I've hammered. And let's see. Okay, I look at the first letter I've hammered, and I look at the little tail where I want the next letter connected. Then I take my next letter, and I am looking in the reflection of the metal where I want this to line up. And I am looking over here, so toward the front end of the stamp. So I have it tilted back so I can see the letter. Do it again. And then I make sure my stamp is flat, hammer. You guys see that? Let's try it again. Can you see? I don't know if you can. Can you see? I'm not sure. There you go. So I'm looking at the tail of the letter. I'm looking over the stamp where I want the letter to go, and I can see the reflection where I want it to line up, right? Okay. Let's try again. I can see the reflection of the letter in the stamp, in the metal, and put it right where I want it to go. And that's just how I stamp. Now, there's a million ways to do this. I am not an expert. Once you find your groove, or, you know, a method that works great for you, then you'll gain a little bit of speed. I still make mistakes. I think everybody makes mistakes. Sometimes my letters don't line up perfectly. That's okay. Some fonts are a little more forgiving than others. But, let's see, I don't know. Here we go. Can you see that? And that's just by using the reflection in the metal to look at the bottom of the stamp. And keep in mind, I'm looking over the top of the stamp at the reflection on this side. Not this side, not this side, but from the top, looking at the reflection here. I think also light is critical. So my light is like this. It funnels into this place here where I'm stamping. Just have light sort of above you, like right there, pointing in the exact same direction that your eyes are looking. So if you're looking over the stamp to this side, over this way, then your light should be coming from the same source, right? Should be coming from the same direction. So we'll try again. Hammer. Where do I want that stamp to go? Right there. Just using the reflection. And let's say I wanted to add some swirls to that. No, this one. So I take the, can you see that? This part right here, this very end of the swirl. And I try and feel for the groove of where the last letter ended. So I stick right there. Okay, that's where I think it ends. Yeah, that's about right. And you know what? I'll use the same swirl at the beginning of the S. Let's see if I can. There we go. Well, hopefully that helped. I tried to keep the video short and sweet. We have a whole lot of bloopers. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's been one of those days. I want to remind you that we do have a sale coming up, and to support small businesses, our sale will be running November 23rd, which is Black Friday, and Small Business Saturday, so we hope to see you there. And another video coming up later this week, I think Thursday, when we have our new limited edition font. That's coming out, and I'll tell you guys all about it on Thursday. I'll see you then. Happy stamping. Oh, no, no, this is terrible. Why am I not in focus? Everything behind me is in focus. It's that kind of day. It's that kind of day. Okay. This whole video's probably gonna be blurry. I apologize in advance. Let's begin. Why am I so bad at this? Coffee. Coffee. Take 497. Is it hot in here? Oh my god. It's hot in here. Right, you're almost there. You're almost there. You've got this. So let's get started. Put your hair up. Oh, dang, I almost had it, stupid phone. Hello, font fixationists. Stephanie here. This is take number 7912.